Hi, Dr. Huffman from Florida Injury Medical Centers. What is PIP? PIP is personal injury protection. It's an insurance policy here in the state of Florida that allows you to be treated regardless who is at fault. If you're at fault, you still have access to this insurance. So the way it works is the minimum is $10,000 of insurance. So if you have this PIP insurance, you have to have PIP insurance to get your license. You can't drive without insurance in the state of Florida. It's illegal. So you have this PIP insurance. You get in an accident. If you're at fault, you have access to the PIP limits. Now there are other insurance that can go above the PIP. Uninsured motorists, underinsured motorists, that protect you from somebody that hits you that doesn't have insurance. They should have insurance, it's the law, but many people will get their license, take in a copy of their insurance, call the insurers and cancel the insurance, which is not legal or right, but then they hit you, and if they hit you and they have just PIP $10,000 and you have $40,000 of bills, you're in trouble unless you have uninsured or underinsured motorists, and then you're protected. So let's go back to PIP. Everybody in the state is required to have it. It covers you and the occupants of your car if there's a collision. So typically how it works is your insurance takes care of you in the state of Florida and your occupants, and they pay the bills. If you're at fault, that's the end of the story. They'll pay up to their PIP limits, or if you have other additional insurance, and I strongly suggest you get more than just the minimum. It may cost a few dollars more a month, but if you're ever in an accident, it can protect you from being sued by an attorney for damages outside of your PIP. They actually can come after you, although most of the commercials, the attorneys say they don't sue people. They do sue people. I see the suits. They come in and they're suing the person. Now the person's represented by an insurance company, and the insurance company is going to give them whatever money's there, but they'll come after you individually as well. So don't be fooled by the commercials, by the attorneys. So if you're not at fault, say you're stopped and an individual hits you from behind. Now it's not your fault, but still your insurance will pay for your injuries, and then they go after the at-fault parties, so to get them to repay the remaining funds. If you're hit by somebody who has no insurance and you have no uninsured motorist, you're getting nothing from that person that hit you. If you're hit by somebody and you have uninsured motorists or underinsured motorists, then you have access to more funds. So your insurance company, and if you have an attorney, will go after the at-fault party to pay for your expenses. So you see these billboards all over the place where a patient gets in an auto accident and they want $1 million. That's not going to happen if the person that hit you had no insurance. There's no $1 million to get. If they have no job, they have nothing to go after, there's nothing to get. All you're doing at that point is giving a third of your settlement to the attorney. So these large settlements that you're seeing are generally somebody who's hit by commercial entity insurance. People have more than minimal coverage. So it's important that you get more than just minimal insurance, more than just a mandatory $10,000 PIP. Get uninsured, underinsured motorists, make sure that you're well protected. So in summary, the PIP is, again, an insurance that everybody who drives, who has insurance, has access to $10,000 in insurance. We talked previously about how to access that $10,000 of insurance through an emergency medical condition. It's a report that opens up the funds to the full $10,000. So look for that video so you understand how that works. But if you're at fault, your insurance takes care of you up to that limit. If somebody else is at fault, then their insurance will be held responsible to reimburse your insurance for the damages, and the damages even if it goes above $10,000, if there are more than $10,000 limits on the person that hit you. So that's the way it works in Florida at this time. If you have any more questions about how the insurances work, how to file a claim, or how to document your injuries, give me a call at 386-402-4250. Anywhere in the state of Florida, 24/7. I'm available. So if you get in an auto accident, give me a call. The call is free. I can walk you through what you need to do, and if you should use me to document your injuries and start the claim, then we'll set you up in a HIPAA compliant or secured telephone telemedicine connection where you and I can speak and document your injuries and make sure the insurance is aware of it. If you have an attorney, make sure they're aware of it, and also get a report off to your primary care physician. So give me a call anywhere in the state of Florida, 24/7 at 386-402-4250. Thank you.